All right, we put both of them in. We haven't really looked at it from far away. All right, boys. That looks pretty sick. I'm tired of coming here. It's even like yeah, so weird start to the vlog. How do you introduce it? But we're gonna go ahead and paint the toe lights with Plasti Dip. Just kidding, we're not gonna use Plasti Dip. That'll be so bad. We're trying to find Vht Niteshade, but we currently can't, so there's that.
Hopefully it's here somewhere.
So AutoZone didn't have it, so on our way to Walmart. And look what we brought today, guys. Look what we brought today. Should do the honors of the cold start. Oh. I don't think I've ever heard my car outside during a cold start. Anyways, we gotta move 370 to where 300 is, and then 300 to where 370 is. And with that said, cold start time. So it wasn't a Walmart either. We had to go all the way to Advanced Auto Parts, but we finally found it. By the way, guys, super excited. I'm excited about it. Sebastian isn't too excited. But we're gonna see how it looks. And literally, this could be like the cheapest mod you do on your car. It was like 18 bucks, and the difference I feel like is gonna be a lot. Difference in the clutch between that right there and that, wow, that's all I'm gonna say, wow. Anyways, let's get to the start of the video. We're gonna nightshade the 370Z tail lights. If you guys are excited, let me know before you even see it. Do you guys think it's gonna look good? Is it not? Let me know. Right, so first thing we're gonna do, we're actually gonna go ahead and take out the tail lights so we don't have to like mask everything, and it's probably gonna be easier and it'll turn out better, so should be pretty easy. Actually, before I go ahead and take out the tail lights, this is what it looks like right now. Let me put this thing down a little bit. I mean, it looks pretty cool, but I'm really excited to see what it looks like with them tinted. And if I do end up liking it, maybe I'll actually get it like, what do you call it? A vinyl over it? Who knows, but I don't know, we'll see. So we got this thing off, and then we were like trying to pull the tail light off, but remember guys, there's like a bolt down there. So you can see, I don't know if you can see, yeah, it's right there. Don't forget this bolt. I almost broke it off because I was just pulling on the tail light without noticing it. So that's how it's supposed to come out. That is too funny. So now we just disconnect everything. All right, boys, we got the first tail light out. Remember, you gotta disconnect all these little things. Like, we literally disconnected everything. And as you can see, there's nothing on the tail light. So we're gonna go ahead, clean it up, and then time to install the nightshade. My goal is not to make it too dark, just a little tint. Nothing crazy, so yeah, wish me luck. Gotta make sure you put them clean, Mr. Clean. Whew. There's no turning back now. Actually, there is, but we're not gonna turn back because, you know, we're already here, so. All right, guys, here we go. First coat. We're gonna go pretty light, and we'll see where we go from here.
Like a minute or two. Let it dry a little bit.
Alright, third coat. I don't want to regret this. Let's do it.
Probably will. Maybe. I'd say like,
this is gonna look good. I have confidence.
let it dry.
Yeah, let it dry a little bit longer, right?
The worst thing you can do is like keep
overspray it, yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and concentrate with this one and try to get everything right. So I'll catch you guys when it's already done, and yeah, we'll see. That looks pretty good. That looks pretty good. Honestly, we're gonna see how good it looks when it's on the car, but yeah, once it dries up, it's gonna be a little less like patchy. It was patchier, that's the other word, but that looks pretty good. I mean, hey, not bad. All right, so I just brought the other headlight, and they're like right next to one another, and this is actually a pretty big difference. Did you see this? This is pretty crazy. Look at this, nightshade and not nightshade. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Let me know, comment below. What do you guys think? Honestly, it's kind of a little darker than I wanted to, but I think it's gonna look pretty sick. Dang, bro, can you imagine driving around like this? Dude, it actually looks pretty cool. It looks like there's nothing there. Well, I mean, obviously there's nothing. Wow, pretty far. But it does look pretty cool because everything's just like gray. That is pretty sick.
I don't know. I think we did a pretty good job.
Yeah, we did do a pretty good job.
For
first time.
For window tint.
First time
in the can. First spray tint in the can.
Whole rear interior is like gutted. And this actually looks pretty clean. Like it's not as flaky anymore, and it actually looks really smooth. What do you guys think? Honestly, we can always go back, but pretty hype. All right, so I think Seabass is gonna try to do this one because he did a much better job than I did. But guys, this car is gonna look so aggressive because like the gray and then black, and then the third brake light down here. Which, if you guys don't know, this is my third brake light. It lights up pretty cool. I'll show you guys that after. But dang, this is gonna look so sick. Alright, so I actually found a clear coat, so a gloss clear coat. So maybe it'll make it a little more glossy. Maybe, question mark.
Guess we'll find out.
Guess we'll find out.
This one has the reverse light is a little less dark.
Yeah. Actually, if you look at it from here, that one looks lighter than this one a little bit. But I think it's fine because I mean, if we keep adding coats and coats, it's just gonna look way dark. But I mean, I do like it. I just really want to see how it looks on the car because I was telling him that dark gray with these tinted taillights is gonna look pretty sick, I think. So we'll see. And how many coats?
We did like 3 coats.
Yeah,
about maybe
3 to 4.
3.5 coats on each probably.
Yeah.
And like and 1.5 probably gloss coats.
All right, next clip you guys see is gonna be me or Sebastian putting the tail lights on. We'll see how it looks. We'll see. We're gonna individually put them in, but we're not gonna look at it from far away until it's like fully on. By the way, if you're asking why we had to put the car here, because the sprinklers of my neighbors came on, whole interior got wet, everything got wet. Yeah. Alright, we put both of them in. We haven't really looked at it from far away. Alright, boys. That looks pretty sick. Turn it on. Guys, this looks pretty sick. I like it. I really like it. It looks so aggressive, right? What do you think? Good for 18 bucks? Good for 18 bucks. Are we gonna change it and put vinyl in the future? Most likely. Right. Yeah, we did it.
Dude, it's so cool actually. Because look how dark the reverse light is.
Oh yeah.
It's like a solid, almost like a solid black strip, and it looks cool.
Ooh, bro. That actually is really cool. As always, let me know, guys. Do you like it? Do you not? Let me know in the comments below. In my opinion, Sebastian's opinion, it looks pretty cool. It actually looks really sick. Yeah, we did a good job. We did a good job.
Taillights we can go down.
Damn, that does look pretty dark. Peace out. What a nice guy. Not waking up my neighbors. Oh, that's so loud. What a nice guy. Huge shout out to Seabass for always helping out. But seriously, guys, I think it looks really cool. It looks really nice. But I would have liked them if they had a little bit less tint. If they were a little, they were a little bit less dark because they are really dark right now. Yeah, like very dark. I can always redo them. That's the beauty of having night shaded tail lights. I can probably just take this off with, well, I just gotta figure out how to take it off. It shouldn't be that hard. And then redo them. A lot of you guys asked me to do it, and even me myself, I've been wanting to do this for the longest time. Today I was just like, you know, Seabass, let's go ahead and do it real quick. It won't take that long. And I'm pretty happy with the result. Yes, I do wish they were a little bit lighter, but we learn from our mistakes. And this mistake is actually not that bad, so we good boys. But seriously, with all that said, I have to end today's video because I have to edit. There we go. Right behind the 300. But enough looking at the car. I'm gonna go ahead and end off today's video. If you guys haven't already, please share with somebody, with anybody that wants to do Nightshade. Share this video with them, or just anybody in general. So if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. Just smash it. On this channel, we have a 300ZX and back there that we worked on. 370Z, and we do have a lot of fun in this channel. Oh wow, you can see my shadow right there. That's what I look like right there when I'm recording. This is what I look like. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, giving me your time to watch one of my videos. It really truly means a lot. And as always, we'll see you guys next time. Peace. Roll a new outro, which isn't new anymore, but still rolled it. I love you guys. Peace.